out how my mother makes this medicinal double boiled soup with 3 potent Chinese herbs and black chicken.
We're going to the medicine shop to get some Chinese herbs. We are going in to get some herbs. In this frame, you can see the 3 herbs that we'll be using: yolk chok, KT, and kalsam.
What are you buying? Too many things.
Wolfberry.
Mommy, what are you looking for?
考心姐即係考心啫咩？考心。
溏心一般上都係溏心，你加啲杞子。
杞子。
你
使唔使多少肉粥？哦，淮山都得，我肉粥都得。
What is that? Why is it black color?
It's another kind of species. It's just black. The chicken is black.
Let me show the black chicken.
Black chicken. Black chicken.
What's the difference between the usual chicken? Is black chicken better?
Better. They said medical value is better.
We're gonna blanch this chicken. Mommy, why do we need to do this?
Well, the soup will be clearer and nicer.
The soup will be clearer. Right now, we want to get the scum out of the chicken. So you can see that there's a lot of this dirt coming out. So you get rid of that first, otherwise it will be in the soup. See? What if we don't do this step? What will happen?
It'll be like blur, not clear. It's not nice to drink. All the blood inside.
What a blur. Put inside where?
Inside.
We have to cut this chicken into smaller pieces because it's too big. Now we're going to prepare 3 different Chinese herbs. What is that, Mommy? American ginseng. What are the benefits, Mommy?
補氣養陰. It's good for 補氣養陰.
What does it mean?
補氣嘅補
Increase your qi, your energy. What else?
補 lungs 咯.
What is 清音? Oh, it will
養
protect
陰
the lungs.
養陰啊.
養陰. What does it mean?
And then 肺咳嗽 for lungs also good.
For cough,
for lungs.
for your lungs.
清病傷陰啊. 清病. When you're after sickness, you get this will recover better.
Now I remember why I haven't had this soup for some time. My mother only makes this when someone is very ill. We also need goji berries, KT. This is very good for the eyes. And yolk chok. This, my mother always tells me, is very good to plump up the skin. Eat 12 grams of wolfberries, KT, 12 grams of Solomon seal, yolk chok, and 30 grams of American ginseng, kalsam.
With the washing.
Okay, and then?
We have water.
3 bowls of water inside. We're going to use a slow cooker to double boil. How much water? 2 cups? 3 cups?
At least half.
At least half full. So it depends on the size of the pot. You want to make sure that it is half covering the container. Cover it, and then how long must we wait?
4 to 5 hours.
4 to 5 hours. Now, double boiling doesn't mean boiling the soup twice. It only means that we put the soup in a container, and then that container goes into a bigger pot with boiling water outside. This method is more gentle, and we believe that it will preserve the essence and the goodness of the herbs and the chicken in the soup. It's about 1:30 now. Our soup should be ready by 5:30, just in time for dinner. It's already 4 hours. I think the soup should be ready, so I'm going to check it out. Is the soup ready?
Yeah, the soup is ready.
Okay, can we check it out now?
Okay.
What are you making?
Fried chicken.
Lemon chicken?
Yeah, lemon chicken.
Mom said the soup is ready. Ooh,
Wow.
look at that! Ooh, yellow.
Baby berries, the black chicken. Looks like this when it's cooked. A bit of salt.
How much?
For taste up to you, there is half a 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
Yeah.
Up to you if you want it saltier than
Not too much. Not too
not too much.
much. It's supposed to be too much.
I'm gonna taste it. How's it?
It's nice. It's sweet. It's nice.
Sweet.
Yeah. Another spoon is
Hot. Hot. Nice food. Very concentrated. Yeah.
okay.
And a very rich, strong herbal taste. Today's dinner is so good, I can't wait. Tell your friends on your bread. What?
Please subscribe.
And click the bell button.
Hit the bell button. And then give a thumbs up.
Oh wow. Today's dinner is lemon chicken, stir-fry vegetables with garlic, bean sprout with salted fish, and this is the lemon chicken sauce. And of course, our double-boiled black chicken herbal soup. So now everything is done. I'm just waiting for my brother to come back from work so that we can all have dinner together. He really loves this soup. I'm gonna record his reaction later. There's a prize for you.
Hah? Apa surprise? Oh, bagus. Ada tu? Best? Mau tangga baju tak ada gambar bagus. Sayang. Best.
Look at the amount my mother eats. Mommy, the whole bowl is yours. You're really enjoying it.
Mommy, you're eating a lot.
Chicken is nice.
Why you like it so much?
Soft. No, smells good.
Soft, tender, smells good. So that is how we make black chicken herbal soup. If you want more recipes like this, that is a bit more interesting but very common to my family, let me know at the comment box below and I'll see you in my next video.